going to remove this from the mount right here. Just use a straight blade screwdriver. Slide this little tab out. And you can slide this whole piece back. Just wiggle it back and forth. And that came off like that. And sometimes this hose will still be connected, so you can either trim that hose right there or try to wiggle it off. And disconnect the connector right here. Push on that tab and slide it out. Now we'll take the old one off of here. Just use a straight blade screwdriver. Just slide up on this lock tab. And we're going to twist this like that. And then it'll slide right out. Take the new one and line it up the same way. There is a little tab right there. Slide it in and lock it back down. Because I have a crack right here, I'm just going to cut that crack off. You can use some type of cutters that will work. And make sure there's no cracks in there. And you can slide this in here. And what you can do is, if you can get this hose off right here, you can pinch that and slide the hose off. You can take a heat gun and try to get this to line up good. Get in there. That'll make it a little bit easier. Or you can take a rubber hose that fits on both ends and just make sure it's airtight. So once you get this on, you could push this back down, or before you put this on, just bend this tab back down, just like that, and lock it in place. And the new solenoid comes with a harness. Plug the new harness in. And then plug the harness into the solenoid. And lock it down. Then you can clip this onto the bracket. Just like that.